Adding a Tesco voucher to the app is simple. Let's walk through the steps together. What if your voucher code doesn't work? First, ensure you've entered it correctly. Typos are common. Also, check the voucher's terms and conditions. Has it expired? Is it valid for the items in your basket? Tesco's app will often provide error messages to help diagnose the problem. If you're still having trouble, contact Tesco's customer service for assistance. Keep in mind that vouchers are typically linked to your club card account for security. Also, be aware of digital voucher trends. Tesco aims for 100% digital vouchers by 2026 for sustainability. AI-driven personalization may suggest vouchers based on your purchase history in the future.